In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a CRM in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and transform ClickUp into an organized customer relationship management tool to help manage your sales process more efficiently. We'll start by opening up ClickUp and logging into your account. If this is your first time using ClickUp, just head over to their website and sign in with your account details or create a new account if necessary. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home screen, which might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. Now, let's create a new space, and we'll call it CRM. Think of spaces as broad containers that will house all the related tasks and projects. Simply click on the plus button available in your space's sidebar, and when prompted, name it CRM. This will be the foundation for building your customer management workflow. Within our newly created CRM space, we're going to create a folder named Sales. Folders help you group related projects or lists together. To do this, click on Add Folder and enter the name Sales. This will act as an umbrella to categorize different aspects of your CRM process. Inside the Sales folder, we're going to set up 3 essential lists: leads, opportunities, and clients. Lists will allow you to track the various stages of your sales funnel. Click on Add List 3 times and name each one accordingly. This structure will help you navigate through different stages of interactions with your contacts easily. Having your list set up is great, but we need to fine-tune them. Select each list and explore the settings to configure your preferred default views. ClickUp offers different views like Board, List, and Calendar, which can be tailored to suit how you want to visualize your tasks. These configured views will provide clarity and focus on the essential information needed at each stage. Next, let's enhance our CRM by adding custom fields. ClickUp allows you to include extra information specific to your needs. Whether it's a field for contact numbers, deal size, or lead source, you can customize it all. Open the list where you want these custom fields, go to the settings, and choose the custom fields that align with your sales workflow. Additionally, task templates and checklist templates are incredibly useful for maintaining consistency. By creating these templates, you're ensuring each task follows a specific pattern or checklist, which can streamline repetitive processes. Head over to a list, create a new task, define the necessary parameters, and save it as a template. Do the same for checklists that you frequently use across different tasks. By following these steps, you've now transformed ClickUp into a functional CRM system tailored to your sales needs. Feel free to explore additional features and customizations as you become more familiar with the platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel confident in setting up ClickUp as your CRM tool.